Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. If you want to see how I created this look, stay tuned. I'm back with another one, ladies. I just purchased these 5XL stiletto tips from Enailcouture, and I have to say I'm impressed and obsessed because they're super sturdy, and look at the length on these babies. First things first, I'm going to grab my extension and my favorite extension gel. If you're wondering what extension gel that I use on all of my videos, this one is by Apres. Yes, I recommend it. And yes, girl, your nails are going to last you until you decide that you want to take them off. Here I go, filling up that apex and applying to my nail plate. Once applied, I'm going to flash cure for 15 seconds. I'm going to speed up this video just a little bit, but you'll see me repeating the same process on the rest of my hand. So I'm filling up the apex and flash curing for 15 seconds. And now that I have on all my extensions, I'm lightly going to buff away any excess shine. Now that I am done buffing, I'm just going to swipe away any dust with a clean makeup brush. For this look, I picked out this color called 931 in the brand Beetles, and I will link it down below. Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on. And I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. Close to the sun. Now that I'm done painting my nails, I'm going to set them in my UV lamp and let them cure for 30 seconds. For my thumbnail, I wanted to do something a little bit different, so I'm going to paint it halfway. And if it's a little bit messy, that's okay, because I'm going to take a clean brush and just fix my smile line. Once I'm satisfied with the look, I'm going to cure for 30 seconds.
After I apply my favorite top coat, I'm going to let it cure for 60 seconds.
Close to the sun, close to the sun.
I'm going to use some animal print nail foils that I bought from Amazon. If you're interested, I will have them linked below.
When I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on.
After I apply my nail foil glue, I'm going to cure for 30 seconds.
Close to the sun. You've got me saying words in my head, filling my mind with these images, yeah. And it's the way that you look at me, makes me feel like I can't breathe. It ain't right.
And next I'm going to take my foil and carefully place it on my nail. Once I found the perfect placement, I'm going to press down on the middle and make sure everything is straight. I'm firmly pressing and rubbing my foil, making sure that I get all of the edges. When everything has transferred, it will start to lift and pop off on its own. Taking my favorite top coat, I'm going to seal the deal and cure it for 30 seconds. After curing, this is what I have so far. These nails are so pretty already. They are giving me way too much life. Enailcouture, you did that. Next, I'm going to take these rhinestones that I bought from Amazon in the color Golden Shadow. These are some real Swarovski crystals that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. And I don't know if you can see, but I have a little tiny bow right there that I'm going to place on my finger as well. I'm going to place a little tiny drop of glue where I want to set my bow. With my mini lamp, I'm going to cure for about 5 seconds. This will help keep my bow in place. For my next design, I'm going to start with the biggest stone and I'm going to flash cure it in place. This will prevent it from sliding around while I finish the rest of my nails.
Business. Give you one more night, forget this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Mama, please don't worry about me, 'cause I'm about to let my heart speak. My friends keep telling me to leave this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. back and forth with the bullshit. I know I said it before, I don't mean it. It's been a while since I had your attention, so it might hurt to hear this. Dreams we have don't ever fall away, but we can leave them if we stay the same. And I can't do this for another day. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night, forget this. We have a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night, forget this.
I'm going to wrap up this video by saying thank you if you've made it this far. If you love this look as much as I do, please like and subscribe to my channel, and welcome to my family. Bye.
This is for my